Tap Nokia One Plus and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to the battery, and now simply by tapping on battery saver you can turn it on now. Simply click on turn on now. Now it's active, so here you can see that your battery is in red color, so power saving mode is on. And then if you would like to switch off low power solution, click on turn off. That's all. Then you can also set some rules, so click on turn on automatically and you can select the battery level on which it should be automatically activated. So let me pick, for example, 10%, and from now on, anytime your battery is lower than 10%, then battery saving mode will be automatically activated. So that's it. You can also have a quick access to power saving mode through the upper bar. Simply slide down the upper bar and now click on battery saver. Tap once to enable it, and then if you would like to switch it off, simply do the same thing. So click on the battery saver icon to turn it off. And that's all. This is how you can activate, personalize and switch off power saving mode in your Nokia One Plus. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.